SCH600Ti frame lock folding knife, one of two models in the SCH600Ti series. With its 3.4-inch drop point blade constructed from D2 high carbon stainless steel and machined titanium handle, the SCH600Ti ripples with edge-holding toughness and raw cutting power. Designed with tactical and survival capabilities in mind, this everyday carry is built to stand up to harsh and varied conditions. The blade's gray titanium coating significantly increases its resistance to wear and corrosion, enhancing the knife's durability. The strong, sharp point penetrates and is followed by a razor-sharp fine edge. Free-hanging material, such as vines, webbing, and rope, fall prey to the blade's recurved design's particular strength. The blade easily deploys by use of the index flipper, or utilize the ambidextrous thumb studs with either hand. A frame lock secures the blade in a fully open position, with the index flipper now doubling as a finger guard. Jimping, together with a slight rise of the blade as it joins the handle, creates a natural platform for your thumb, aiding blade control. To close the knife, move the frame lock to the side and rotate the blade back into the handle. Hand placement on the handle's titanium surface has a natural feel thanks to the ergonomic design, and a sturdy pocket clip adds to your choice of carry, pocket, pouch, belt, or gear. Designed to see you through the challenges of the unexpected, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCH600Ti EDC folding knife. Available SCH600Ti folding knife models are the SCH600Ti with titanium-coated drop-point recurve blade and a smooth titanium handle, and the SCH601Ti with titanium-coated drop-point recurve blade and machine-textured titanium handle. Find them online or at your favorite local retailer. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel on YouTube, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter for news, tips, and new product releases. To learn more about our great knives and gear, visit Schrade.com. This is the Schrade SCH301 tactical folding knife, one of two models in the SCH301 series. Razor sharp and ready for tactical and everyday carry use, the SCH301 sports a thick 3.7-inch tanto blade that's designed for cutting, slicing, and piercing. Forged from tough edge-retaining 9CR18 Movi high-carbon stainless steel, the blade sports an attractive, non-reflective titanium coating for stealth and added corrosion resistance. The blade is held safe and ready for use in a matching titanium-coated solid steel handle. Jimping on the handle spine and butt aid in grip, and the curved ergonomic handle bottom with front and rear guards keeps the knife firmly in your hand. Quickly deploy the blade using the ambidextrous thumb knob, or use the index flipper on the spine end of the handle. An extra thick frame lock secures the blade in the open position. Store the blade by pushing the frame lock to the side with one hand and carefully closing the blade into the handle with the other. A large steel clip holds the knife in your pocket and keeps it positioned for immediate use. The steel handle slabs protrude on the bottom of the knife, making the SCH301 capable emergency glass breaking tool. Designed for hard, tactical, and everyday carry use, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCH301 tactical folding knife. Available SCH301 folding knife models are the SCH301 with fine edged blade and the SCH301S with partially serrated edge. Find it online or at your favorite local retailer. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel on YouTube, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter for news, tips, and new product releases. To learn more about our great knives and gear, Visit Schrade.com.
Whether you're looking for an easily concealed personal defense knife or a fierce hand-to-hand combat blade, this 8 3/4-inch Honshu Karambit will answer when you call. Makes it a formidable combat tool, and the non-reflective black finish provides a tactical look and feel. This is the Honshu Karambit, only from United Cutlery.
For more than 25 years, Leatherman tools have been helping everyday people deal with expected and unexpected jobs and situations. But now, there's a tool for the men and women who face the unexpected every day. It's here, the Leatherman MUT, created for those who deal with the unexpected on a very regular basis.